Hey, I am a happy user of Greensolvs Multi-Purpose Cleaner from Desans Solutions and Global. It comes with a free spray bottle with measurement guidelines. I spray the multi-purpose cleaner on a clean cloth and then wipe on the dirty ceiling fan. It's so easy for me to clean the ceiling fan now, the before which is so dirty, and the sparkling clean right after my wipe with the cleaner. Then I also use this cleaner to clean my little niece's toys Vespa. Again, I spray the cleaner on the cloth and then wipe clean the toy Vespa. This is a plant-based cleaner, so it's safe for the kids to enjoy safe right after cleaning with it. Niece also helped to spray this plant-based cleaner on her toys. I use it also to clean my home. My home now is sparkling clean, yay!